Okay, so I've got this thing going on, and so I can render 3D, geometrical shapes in 3 dimensions, and I can even move them around a little. I can make the cube like bigger if I wanna. I can move the cone as well, and like it works. It seems to work, but I guess my main issue here is that I'm projecting the rays from the objects instead of from the camera. Which, well, I made it this way because I wasn't looking things up online, and so I just did things using my intuition and my imagination. And so I think it's just easier to project rays from the camera towards the objects and then check for intersections and then drawing shapes based on rays that intersect with surfaces. But yeah, this is what this looks like as of right now, where the rays are being projected from the camera. From the objects instead of from the camera. And so, yeah, it's not the best way of doing it, so I'm gonna change this. And yeah, I'm basically gonna have to rewrite some of the stuff here. The way it works right now is just that, there's nothing really fancy about the main program, but I just have a global world coordinate system and a global camera. I set it at a distance of 2000. I don't know why I began by using floats instead of doubles. But yeah, I just have to initialize a cube and a pyramid here, and then I just have a little code here to move things around, to interact, and then I just have a method called rotate around center for the pyramid and the cube. I called it rotate cube here, even though I'm also rotating the pyramid, but it's just because I wasn't paying attention and I didn't care. I just wanted to see if it works. But yeah, it looks a little bit weird as well. Like I guess, how do you call it? It's just not realistic, like when I move things around, if I make it bigger, sometimes it just looks a bit weird. But yeah, I think I've got a pretty solid idea of what I'm gonna do next, and yes, the next step is just to change the way the engine works to make it to make the rays, to emit the rays from the camera towards the objects and check for collisions instead of the other way around. But yeah, alright, I think I'll just make another video when this is done, and yeah.